Welcome. Today we'll find the inverse function of f of x equals x cubed minus 1 and verify our answer. Let's solve this step by step. Step 1. To find the inverse function, we first replace f of x with y. This gives us y equals x cubed minus 1. Step 2. To find the inverse function, we swap x and y. This gives us x equals y cubed minus 1. Step 3. Now we solve for y to get the inverse function. First, let's add 1 to both sides. This gives us x plus 1 equals y cubed. Step 4. To isolate y, we take the cube root of both sides. This gives us y equals the cube root of x plus 1. Step 5. Finally, we write our answer using function notation. The inverse function, f inverse of x, equals the cube root of x plus 1. Now, let's verify that this is indeed the inverse function. To verify, we'll check that f of f inverse of x equals x and f inverse of f of x equals x. Let's check f of f inverse of x first. We substitute f inverse of x, which is cube root of x plus 1, into f of x, which is x cubed minus 1. When we simplify this, the cube and cube root cancel out, leaving us with x. Now, let's check f inverse of f of x. We substitute f of x, which is x cubed minus 1, into f inverse of x, which is cube root of x plus 1. When we simplify this, we get cube root of x cubed minus 1 plus 1, which simplifies to x. Let's visualize these functions on a graph. The blue curve shows our original function f of x equals x cubed minus 1, and the red curve shows its inverse function. Notice how they are reflections of each other across the line, y equals x, shown in green. In conclusion, we've found that the inverse function of f of x equals x cubed minus 1 is f inverse of x equals cube root of x plus 1. We verified this by checking both compositions equal x and visualize both functions on a graph. Thank you for watching.